one, we'll see what is the feature of that particular one. Here, the next one is easy to maintain. Please, I'll have to write the next one, easy to maintain. Now, see here, I think we completed the easy to learn, easy to read, and then portable, extendable, and then database. And the next one, easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. Now, see here. And then what is the meaning of easy to maintain? Can anyone say what is the general meaning? Easy to maintain means general meaning. And don't be calm here. Hello.
Sir, easy to handle.
Easy to handle. Then easy to handle. Is it okay? Easy to handle means for transform purpose. Okay. Then then simply says that easy to maintain is nothing but where says that we are doing the maintenance for your bike. Maintenance for your bike. For what purpose we are doing? For what purpose we are doing? Bike maintenance in the
It would be a good condition.
good condition. Good, you say the good answer for good condition purpose. Here, for every times the updates is going to be appeared for the software. It is not only for the fixed one. Na? For every times the update is going to be appeared for the versions. For example, I will show it for you how the version is there. Just 1 second. I will show it for you. One second. Please once here. What is the release we are showing here? What is the version it is showing now?
3.9.4.
3.9.4 it is showing here. Now please see the versions which are released now. See here 3.9.4 when it is released April 4, 2021. Now see here 3.8.9 is released on April 2nd. That means within 1 day gap they release the one more terminal. When it is there, the program, the software will be automatically updated in the Python, but it is not possible in your C languages. C language మనం ఏదైతే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసామో అదే రన్ అవుతుంది, but in Python it is automatically updated. Okay, for that reason they are saying that it is easily maintained. That means we can maintain the source code very easily as compared to the other languages here. Okay, now write in here Python source code here for easy to maintain. Write on there Python source code is fairly Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Easy to maintain. The next one, a broad standard library. A broad standard library. Next feature, right on that. A broad standard library. A broad standard library. broad standard library. Can anyone say what is the thing will be available in your library? Library lo emuntai babu?
Different types of books.
That means collection of books. Can I say collection of books? Library is nothing but collection of books.
Yes, sir.
Number of books is nothing but collection of books. And then the standard is nothing but a constant. A broad is nothing but huge. Standard number of libraries will be there in your Python. Now, when you are just consider here, when you are writing a program in your C language, what is the first step you do? C language lo rasepudu first step em rasam manamu? First step when you are going to
Hashtag include stdio.
Hash include.
First step you started with respect to the hash include that means studio.h, like this we are writing. This terminal is going to be considered as a libraries. Here same thing, the Python will be also consists of a bulk of libraries are there, which are inbuilt to the system, and then these are very portable, and then compatible with respect to the Unix, Windows as well as the Mac. Sir, how it is going to be compatible? Sir, we does not write in C. We are starting with respect to the /include. In Python, what is our first step? Python lo first step em to start avutundi babu? Hello. What is the first step in your Python?
Print, sir.
Direct whatever we are going to be required, we are going to be started from there only. We does not written your libraries. Why? Because of the libraries are already inbuilt to the particular software. For that reason, we does not need to write any libraries functions here. Okay. Is it clear? Broad standard library means it will be consists of a bulk of library which is portable, and then which is going to be compatible with respect to the all type of operating systems. It may be a Windows, it may be a Unix, it may be a Mac system. Okay. Now please write on that. Please write on Python has bulk of library. Python has bulk of library is very portable. Bulk of library is very portable and cross platform and cross platform compatible on Unix, UNIX. Unix is nothing but UNIX. Compatible on Unix, Windows and Mac. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Interactive mode. Interactive mode Anyone say interaction, general meaning of interaction? Interaction అనేది ఎప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది బాబు? When it is going to be appear? Interaction means interaction. Hello. Yeah, speak. Yeah, it may be right or wrong. No problem. Tell me. Interaction means general meaning. Interaction means
When we communicate with others, sir.
when we communicate with others. Either when you are going to be communicate with others, either the person will be there in front of us or not. మనం ముందు పక్క అతను ఉండాలా ఉండకూడదా?
ఉండాలి సార్.
That is for interaction. Communication is nothing but when you are going to be talk with respect to the phone also, it is also communication. It is not an interaction. It is a communication. Okay. Interaction is nothing but must and should, it will be there in front of us. Now same thing, interactive mode, the Python will be supports interactive mode, and then it is going to be allows the user to interact with directly the particular screen. Directly the particular screen. I mean, just 1 second. I will open the software. Now see here. This is my mode. This is my software. I am presenting here. Then I am going to be directly interacting with respect to the software. Software interact now. That means I am going to be writing the program here. A is equal to 2, comma A is equal to 2, comma B is equal to, or otherwise A comma B is equal to 2, comma 3. I read in this some code. That means it does not going to be say the language. That means the English directly to the system. We need to going to be type on the system. That means communication. That means interaction. System, and then myself, I'm interacting here. Then I'm going to be entered here. That means the testing also is going to be done when you are going to be interact. When you are going to be interact. In C program, what we are going to be do means we need to write the entire program. See here, we need to going to be write the entire programming. After that, we need to going to be save the program. Later, we need to going to be compile the program. Later, we need to going to be compile the. At the end, we need to going to be test the program. But here, it does not going to be test the program at the end. Once we are completed the one variable declaration, we can test directly there itself, and then we can find out if there is any error within the particular step itself. Okay. Now see here, I can write here C is equal to the 10. Now I will do my operation. D is equal to A plus B plus C. Now print D. I will do my operation directly. I am going to be interact. And then the answer is soon. But in C, it is not going to be do the interactive mode. Why? Because of we write the program in the terminals. Later we are going to be test the program. And then later we are going to be debug the program. Errors find out. But here, when you are going the instructions also, the system will be says this is the wrong instruction directly. See here, I will write now. D is equal to 10, comma 10. Two values are defined here. It is accepted. See here, C is equal to D is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now it is not accepting. Directly it is throwing error. That is for communication. Interactive is nothing but communication. అంటే మనం చెప్పేది రైటా కాదా అని చెప్పేప్పుడు చెప్తుంది. But in C language, it is interactive mode, but it is not going to be say there itself only. At last, it is going to be says. Okay, is it clear? Or can I repeat once?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Now, please write on this one. Interactive mode class only. Please note on the data. If Python support, Python has support. Python has support for an interactive mode. an interactive mode which allows interactive testing, interactive testing, interactive testing, interactive testing, and debugging and debugging. That means within the bracket, debugging is nothing but errors. Debugging of code. Debugging of code. Debugging of code. Debugging of code. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. I think portable is completed. Extendable is completed. Database is completed. Next, write down GUI programming. GUI programming. GUI programming. Do you have any idea of the full form of GUI?
Graphical user interface.
Graphical user interface. Good. Here, graphical user interface, nothing but I think you are seeing my screen. Either it is interface or not. You are seeing my screen. Either it is interface or not. ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా బాబు, అది ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కాదా? It is interface. Now same like this. This is also a one interface. This is also a one interface. See here. When you get in the interface,
మెసేజ్ నైట్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు
these are all going to be considered as a interfaces. అంటే interfaces అంటే ఏంది? వెబ్ బేస్ అప్లికేషన్స్. గ్రాఫికల్ యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ అంటే ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్ అన్నా కూడా that is going to be considered as a GUI. And then for creating of web pages, for example, I can say open my Gmail. It is for one user interface. That means it is going to be asked, select your login like this. It is going to be asked it is for one user interface. The same thing, I'm going to be use our college website. This is also a one user interface. For developing of the web pages, as well as your applications and software, small applications, and then for all the terminals, we can use the Python core. Going to be use Python core. In general, here the web page is written. If you are going to be know the web, source code, చూడండి మన కోడ్ తెలియాలంటే ఏం లేదు, రైట్ క్లిక్ ఇచ్చేసి then click on inspect. This is the code for this particular web page. See here, when I'm going to be select the particular image, for example, see here, I will select the image. For this particular image, this is the source code. This is code. Now see here, when I'm going to be select the college name, see here, this is the code. See here. Now see here, menu bar. It is going to be showing here logo font like this. It is the source code for your terminal. దీన్ని ఏమంటున్నా అంటే GUI ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంటారు, యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంటారు. Okay, here the Python will be supports for web pages designs as well as your applications, and then your OS generations. That means Windows operating systems. మన Windows 7 Windows 8 అంటున్నాం కాదు, ఆ వాటికి కూడా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? దట్ all comes with respect to the Python. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I think you all people are seen Maharshi movie. చూసారా? మహేష్ బాబు మహర్షి మూవీ చూసారా? చూస్తుంటారు, మూవీ అయితే చూస్తుంటారు, చదువుకునేది మాత్రం చదువుతుంటారు. మూవీలో he is going to give an offer to the company. మీ కంపెనీ ఇది చేయలేకుంది, నేను చేసి చూపిస్తాను అని చెప్పారు, గుర్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
That means the operating system is going to be run with respect to the Python. Python తో నేను చేసి చూపిస్తాను అంటాడు. That is for operating systems, latest ones. Okay, for all the terminals presently we are using your Python software. For that purpose, it says that it is compatible for all type of applications. Okay, please write on that. Python supports graphical user interface, that means GUI applications. Python supports GUI applications. GUI applications that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries and Windows systems and Windows systems such as Windows, Unix, Mac. Last one, scalable. Last one, scalable. Can anyone say what is the meaning of scalable? Scalable ante meaning em babu? Scalable.
Can able to climb.
I did not get. Can you repeat one?
We can able to scale.
Scaling is nothing but decreasing of size or increasing of this. Manamu zoom in, zoom out idea on that. Zoom in, zoom out. Do you have idea about zoom in as well as this? What will be happens? Zoom in time using it is going to be enlarge the size of the picture. That means మనం తీసుకున్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ దగ్గర సైజ్ అనేది పెరుగుతుంది. జూమ్ అవుట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కమ్ టు ది ఒరిజినల్ షేప్. దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం అంటే స్కేలింగ్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I have one picture like this. When I'm going to be zoom out means the scale is 1:1. When I'm going to be zoom in means what will be happens means ఈ 1:1 ఉన్న diagram, for example దీని length 100 ఉండింది అనుకోండి, జూమ్ ఇన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ ది 200. X-axis will be the 200, Y-axis will be the 1. Like this, it will be there. Like this, scaling is nothing but will be consist of, in other programs, will be consist of 200 numbers of steps are there in a single program. ఒక program లో 200 numbers ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, and then the Python will be do what they will be do means they will be cut the program. Into small scripts. That means 10 గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. They will be cut the program into small steps with a better structure. That is why where says that it is a scalable. For that reason I say that it is a scalable. Okay, now please see once here. I will write one small program for your purpose. Then you will get some idea. Now I will have opened the file. Now see here. I will write here some message. I need to going to be print a hello to all mechanical students. I need to going to be print a one message hello to all of my mechanical students from 1 to 46. 1 to 46. Now for this one, I need to going to be write the message like this here. X is equal to, that means in C language means slash include stdio.h slash include math.h void main brackets open brackets close colon floor brackets, and then need to write this. Please enter the name of the, please enter the roll number of the students, and then print a message one by one. It is going to be taken here, but here we does not require like that. Directly I can write here print enter the number of students. Number of students. Now directly I can write here for it is input n is equal to int of input of enter the number of students. Now for I in range of n print a message, print hello. For example, I don't know your name. For that reason, I am calling your roll number. I. That means roll number. I. And then good morning. Good morning. Hello, roll number 1. Good morning. Like this, I need to going to be print a message. See here, how many steps is there now? Finally, how many steps are there here? Total number of steps.
3, sir.
Same program. I'll write in C here itself only, but I does not execute it. I will write in C for your purpose. See here, hash include stio.h and then slash include hash include math.h then void main brackets open close floor bracket open. Now I need to write here int a comma I. Now I need to enter the value. Now printf enter the a value. Now scanf percentage of d comma a percentage d comma a. That means it is going to be read the value. Now I can write here for I is equal to 0 comma I less than equal to a comma I plus brackets open colon enter. Now I need to going to be print here print a message. That is for that means print. I need to write here percentage of d. Like this, we need to going to be write the program. Brackets open. It will move inside, and then brackets close. Now enter brackets close. Now please check it once. It is a general program, either it is correct or not. Just I write in here. How many steps are there here now in C program? Just check it once. How many steps are there? Total number of steps.
11.
11 steps are there. 11 steps are there. And then it is a large program. Large program. Then I scalable this one. And then scale and put in some either maybe we can reduce, either maybe increase. In some we decrease this one. Any steps to convert this one? We converted into the 3 steps. How many steps? How many steps are reduced now? Totally 8 steps are reduced. For that reason, where says that the Python program is a scalable one. Now see here, I will save this one. Then I'm going to run the program. Okay, this is the general program we are writing here for showing you off your terminals here. Okay, this is for 3 steps. We reduce it here. Now, therefore, that reason we are saying that it is scalable. Okay, please write on here. Python provides a better structure. Python provides a better structure. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs. Than shell scripting. 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 Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please read all the headings once again loudly. Please, all of you read yourself all the features. That means we need to going to be easy to learn. That means we need to memorize the point also. Easy to learn and it is easy to run. Why? Because of it is simply the basic structure. As well as easy to run. It is not going to be contains the punctuation marks. For that reason, we are saying that easy to read, then easy to maintain. That means the Python source code is very fairly, and then for that purpose we can maintain very easily. It will be consist of a bulk of library which is going to be supported for Windows, Mac, as well as your Unix. Interactive mode means directly we are going to be interacting with respect to the interactive for checking the program, either it will be correct or not, and then we'll find out the error if there it is, and then it is portable. Then it can be installed in the different hardware platforms purpose, and then it can be expandable, and then it is act as a database. Then it can be used for developing of your GUI programming as well as your scalable. That means it can be reduce the number of steps in your Python language. Okay, please read this all the terminals one minute, within the 1 minute, please. Then we'll move to the another topic, please. Yeah, completed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I ask the question? Shall I ask the question? Roll number 20. Roll number 20. Roll number 20, 320. Roll number 220.
Sorry, sir.
Where are you? You're keeping the mute and then you are playing.
No, sir.
Can you say GU programming and GUI programming? What is the use of GUI programming? He says that GUI programming, it is one of the feature. GUI programming అని ఎందుకు అంటారు? This is one of the feature for Python. Why? 20. Roll number 320. $25. Roll number 25.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, tell me. GUI programming అంటే ఏం బాబు?
Python supports to GUI application and ported to many system called library Windows and systems such as Windows and Unit Max.
I'm not asking to read the sentence which is there in your notebook. I'm asking what is the general meaning of that one. GUI programming అంటే ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నాను. GUI programming. Next one. Roll number 30. Not there. 36. Roll number 36. Can you explain? GUI programming and involve. Roll number 36. Roll number 36.
Sir.
చెప్పు GUI programming అంటే ఏంటి బాబు? Tell me, GUI programming అంటే ఏమి?
సార్ ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి సార్.
GUI, that is, we say that GUI programming is the feature for Python. May I know where we are going to be use the GUI programming? GUI programming కి Python యూజ్ చేస్తారు అంటున్నారు. ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు? Say the example.
క్రియేటింగ్ GUI అప్లికేషన్ సార్. విండోస్ మెయిన్ విండోస్ లో వాడతాం.
ఇంకా then for developing of web pages,
adding one or more sir above means
okay, good.
maintain right get
That means we are going to be
enter to main event loop sir.
Yeah, okay, you can mute, no problem. Here GUI programming is nothing but we are going to be with the help of Python, we are going to be developing the web-based applications as well as your mobile phone applications. Ante simple ga GUI programming is oka feature. Then use chestunarante web-based applications create cheskunedaniki applications, that means mobile app applications create chesedaniki as well as operating systems create chesedaniki we are going to be using GUI programming. Okay, now it is okay.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir, fine.
now see here. Shall we move to the next topic or otherwise any doubts within this one? ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. డౌట్ లేదంటే నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ వెళ్తారు. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now please, where we can use the Python? Please keep the next heading, where we can use the Python. Where we can use the Python. Where we can use the Python. No, please write down the names, all the names, and then I explain one by one. First one, web applications. Web applications. Then second one, desktop GUI application. Please write in the names, all the names, and then I explain one by one example. Please note on that one. Do it fast. Once it is completed, inform to me.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Now, see one by one. First, we'll see web page applications. Can anyone say web page applications is nothing but web page application? Web application. Web applications.
The software that runs on web, sir.
I think you are using ERP. ERP ni idea on the babu. Meeku ERP నుంచి మెసేజ్ వస్తుంటాయి. If you are absent for one class, you will get the message from your college.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I think it's clear. That is for web-based applications. Web-based applications. Now, please see some more examples. Some more examples. Now, Gmail. Gmail. In your mobile phone, you will get one app there. Email, Gmail option. Google lo Gmail అనే ఆప్షన్ ఒక యాప్ వచ్చింటుంది. That is for application. This is for web page. అంటే ఈ యాప్ లో ఓపెన్ చేసుకొని మెయిల్ సెండ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. As well as we are going to be do with respect of using website also. That is for web-based applications for developing of all the terminals. That is for it is a one type of web-based application. It is a web-based application. Now I need to fill my data. Bank, for example, ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. Here, see here, internet banking. It is a web-based application. Web-based application. We have app-based applications also there. Okay, app వేరే వెబ్ వేరే. వెబ్ అంటే ఆన్లైన్ ఓపెన్ చేసి వెబ్సైట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి అక్కడ చేసేటివి అని ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే వెబ్ బేస్డ్ అప్లికేషన్ అంట. Okay, is it clear? Web-based applications.
Yes, sir.
Now see the next one, desktop GUI applications. Desktop GUI applications. Now desktop GUI applications are nothing but I think you know about Paint. Paint idea on that?
Sir.
Paint is a desktop GUI application. Paint is a desktop GUI application as well as calculator. Your calculator. Calculator is also a application. That means desktop GUI applications. Okay, is it clear? Two applications. One it is for Paint, another one it is for calculator. It is okay. These two terminals are okay for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Web applications same వస్తాయి. Examples. Email, good. Next.
ERPs.
Interface. ERP, good. ERP application అని చెప్పండి. డైరెక్ట్ ERP అని చెప్పండి. ERP applications. Next. Internet banking.
Internet
or net banking. Don't say ICICI internet banking. Any net banking, it is will be comes under to the web application. Now, desktop applications is nothing but
Paint, calculator.
ఇవి కాకుండా ఇంకా ఉంటాయి చూడండి. Other than these two, say some more examples.
Calendar,
Good. Then
Excel, Word.
Word. This are also the GUI application. That means once we install the software, then we are going to be run this one using this one. That is for desktop. If you are going to be used in the online means, that is for web application. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఆన్లైన్ లో యూజ్ చేసుకుంటే వెబ్ బేస్ అప్లికేషన్, లేదు నేను ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్నామంటే డెస్క్టాప్ అప్లికేషన్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే, నా network programming, we'll see this one last. After completion of this one, we'll see this one last. Okay, gaming application. Can anyone say gaming applications is nothing but the application which is going to be installed in your device, and then you are going to be use that one. I think you already know about PUBG. Ready on that? Baga aduntaru.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is a gaming application. The gaming application is going to be developed by using some software. The software is going to be considered as a Python is the software which is going to be used here for developing of your gaming applications. Like this will be consist of different types of games out there. NFS2, like this will be consist of different games out there. For developing of our games, must and should we require some software. For that reason, we are says that for gaming applications we are using some Python software. Sorry, 1 second, sir. Yeah, sorry. Now, is it okay? Gaming application is nothing but the games which are using by you, all are going to be considered as a gaming application. ఏం చేస్తారు సార్ గేమింగ్ అప్లికేషన్ వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తుంటారు అంటే for running of any operation must and should it requires a backbone. For example సార్ నేను ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, ఆఫీసు ఏదో ఒకటి మీరు చెప్పారు, ఎంఎస్ ఆఫీసు పెయింట్ ఇవన్నీ చెప్పారు. Now simply see here, I will show it here for your background purpose. I will show it some source code for that one. See here, for example, this is the PDF application. See here, ఇది PDF application. PDF అనేది మనం ఏమంటాం, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అంటాం. Here we don't know what is the code is running for that one. You can show it for you. Here, this all are going to be considered as a supporting files for that one. That means it will be contains some code for that one. It's not in edit format. Just wait 1 second. I will show you. Okay. Here it is a programming language. We did not understand. It is in the French. Like this, it is going to be shown for you. It is a program. It is running in the background. When you are going to be do any operation, this type of the codes are going to be run in your background. మీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో ఈ కోడ్స్ అన్ని రన్ అవుతుంటాయి బాబు. ఓకేనా, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ హియర్. సార్ మన ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అన్ని మార్చుకుంటున్నామంటే విల్ బి కంటైన్స్ ది లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆల్సో హియర్. లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆప్షన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ యువర్ గేమింగ్ అప్లికేషన్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Now, about data applications, data analysis applications nothing but I need to do the calculations. I think I think you don't know. I think what are the softwares you calculated other than C program? What are the softwares you learned in the first year other than C? సి కాకుండా ఇంకేదైనా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ కాదు, మిగతా ఏమైనా వాడారా? ఎనీవన్ అదర్ దాన్ సి?
కోడ్ తంత్ర
నో, అది కాదు బాబు. ఇంత కాకుండా యాప్స్, అప్లికేషన్స్
ఎక్సెల్ సార్,
ఎక్సెల్ అది నార్మల్ గా రాస్తారు, కోడింగ్ ఏమి ఉండదు బాబు, జనరల్ గా రాసుకుంటాము. డేటా అనాలిసిస్ అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే we need to going to be do the calculations for this one. Here simply for doing the calculations, I write in something na a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and then I need to go into the sum of the operations. C is equal to a plus b. That means for data analysis. Like this, we can do in the Python also. We can do in Python also. And then console-based application. Console-based applications. Console is nothing but బాబు గుర్తు డేటా అనాలిసిస్ అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే అడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్ ఇవన్నీ చేసే దానికోసం కూడా పైథాన్ వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నౌ ఫర్ కన్సోల్ బేస్డ్ అప్లికేషన్స్. Console based applications and it's nothing but this is going to be, the screen is going to be considered as a one console. The screen is going to be considered as a one console. That means నా screen 14.3 ఉంది. 14.3 అనేది నా console. దానికి సరిపోయే వెబ్ పేజ్ డిజైన్ చేయి. That is for console based, depending upon user dependent. Business applications. Business applications. For example, you went for a hotel killer, billing system చూసాం. బిల్ ఏం చేస్తారు, వన్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే ఇడ్లీనో పూరీనో అని వస్తుంది. ఎలా వస్తుందా అంటే డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ యువర్ కోడ్ రాస్తుంటే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కోడ్ రన్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రెస్ వన్, ఆటోమేటికలీ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రింటెడ్ యువర్ ఇడ్లీ. ద రీజన్ ఈస్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ కోడెడ్ ఫర్ ది పర్టికులర్ applications, as well as audio purpose, as well as video basic applications. Audio కోసం వీడియో కోసం కూడా వాడతాం. Okay, now see here, network programming. Network programming అంటే, for example, consider your red MI phones. With the help of your mobile, you are going to be operated your ACs. AC ని ఆపరేట్ చేస్తాం, గుర్తుందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
TVs also.
TVs also. And then when you are going to be open your YouTube, ఇంట్లో యూట్యూబ్ ఓపెన్ చేసినాం అనుకోండి, ఇంట్లో వైఫై కనెక్ట్ చేసి యూట్యూబ్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకున్నాం అనుకో, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి షేరింగ్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్ టు యువర్ టీవీ. మొబైల్లో ఉండే సిస్టమ్ స్క్రీన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే వీఆర్ షేరింగ్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్ టు యువర్ టీవీకి షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ నెట్వర్క్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కనెక్టెడ్, బోత్ విల్ బి ది సేమ్ వైఫై, then we can share your mobile directly to your system. That for it is for the networking programming. Okay, these are the applications where we are going to be use the Python. Is it clear or can I explain anyone? ఏదైనా ఒక పాయింట్ ఏదైనా మిస్ అయిందా చూసుకోండి, ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి ప్లీజ్. Any doubt within this one, please? ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నాయి బాబు? ఏదైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నాయి వీటిల్లో? ప్లీజ్ see one. Any doubt within your examples? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
డౌట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా దీంట్లో? Shall I move to the next slide? Next line కి వెళ్దామా? Last one. ఏది బాబు? Business applications. Business applications is nothing but you are using the device which are going to be used for your business. మీ బిజినెస్ కి ఏ డివైసెస్ వాడినా కూడా అవి బిజినెస్ అప్లికేషన్స్ కిందకే వస్తాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫర్ యువర్ బిజినెస్ we require a one web page. You require a one web page. It is for one application, as well as app. Okay, app కావాలి. It is for one thing. I required a programming for my business. That means when a person is going to be entering into my hall, నా ఆఫీస్ లోకి ఎవరైనా ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ స్ప్రే కావాలి, శానిటైజర్ స్ప్రే కావాలి. ది ప్రోగ్రామింగ్, ఐఓటీ బేస్డ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. ఐఓటీ దాంట్లో ఏం చేస్తున్నట్టు పైథాన్ వాడుకుంటాం మనం. ఇలా అప్లికేషన్స్, మనకు కావాల్సిన అప్లికేషన్స్ అన్నిటికీ పైథాన్ యూజ్ చేసుకునేదాన్ని బిజినెస్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అంటారు. బిల్డింగ్ సర్వీస్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ది పైథాన్. Okay, shall we move to the next one, or otherwise we will be stopped here? We will discuss the remaining term in the next class. Either I need to stop or otherwise I need to continue the next topic.
Next stop.
Yeah, so please write on this one. You already know these names. For that reason, no need to explain. I will explain once again, no problem. Write down there. What are the Python technical strengths? What are the, next heading, what are the Python technical strengths? 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 We already know that it is easy to use, easy to run. That means easy to read. Instead of read, I write easy to use. Okay, easy to learn, and then it is portable, and then it is a free source. మనం ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకో. No need to spend a single rupee for the software purpose. It is a free source, and then it is a powerful tool as compared to the R programming language. It is a powerful tool, and then this program can be mixed with respect to the any type of the programmatical languages, and then it is a object oriented as well as the functional programming language. మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ఈజీ టు లర్న్, ఈజీ టు రీడ్ లాస్ట్ దాంట్లో చెప్పాం. అండ్ దెన్ అలాంగ్ దిస్ వన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్రీ సోర్స్. అంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫర్ అవర్ సేక్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫ్రీ. When you are going to be went for the company people need to pay some amount. But for Python, no need to pay, no need to buy. Why? The reason is it is a open source for all the people. Open source for all the people. And then it is a portable. It is a portable to any type of the operating systems. It may be a Windows, it may be a Mac, it may be a Unix. We can use very easily with compatible. And then it is a powerful tool as compared to the R programming languages. Then it can be a mixable tool for all the programmers. And then it is object oriented as well as the functional programming language. These are the technical, the strengths of your Python software. Okay, please write on this one. I will say one more example. Please note on this all the points. Note on all the points, and then inform to me. Once it is completed, inform to me. Do it fast. Yeah, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, please think your mature minds. All of you completed means I will stop my screen share.
Completed, sir.
All of you?
Completed, sir.
Now, please think once. You are going to be planning to keep a company. మీరు ఒక కంపెనీని ప్లే చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీ ప్లే చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఏ సమ్ ఐడియా టు డెవలప్ వన్ అప్లికేషన్. ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్ అప్లికేషన్ ని డెవలప్ చేసేదానికి మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చింది. దెన్ వాట్ ఆర్ ది థింగ్స్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి స్టార్టెడ్? ఏమేం ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు? ప్లీజ్ థింక్ వన్స్ అండ్ సే ఇట్. అది కూడా లేదు బాబు, అది కూడా వద్దు. Simple example. I will say one more example. Other than that, you need to keep able on business of cloths. Buttal business pedamu ani chustuna. Then what are the things you are going to be start? Em ఆలోచించి పెడతాం. Please think once and then say the answer. Please think once and say to me.
Best selling point.
అంటే మీరు బిజినెస్ పెట్టాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? వి రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ కీపింగ్ బిజినెస్, వి రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏ షాప్. We required a shop, one thing. And then second one, we need to going to be keep the shop must and should be in a good place. మంచి ప్లేస్ లో ఉండాలి. అంటే మన బట్టలన్నీ అమ్ముకుపోయేటట్టు ఉండాలి. సెకండ్ వన్. And then we required one distributor for sending off our clothes to our shop. మన క్లాత్ కి షాప్ కి క్లాత్ పంపించేవాడు కావాలి, ఓకేనా. అండ్ దెన్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ సెల్లర్స్, దట్ మీన్స్ అమ్మేదానికి బాయ్స్ కావాలి మనకు. ఇవి 4 రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అనుకున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ 2 డబ్బులు ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసేది, అంటే రూము, ప్లేసు, ఇదంతా డబ్బులు ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసేది. మనకు బట్టలు కొనుక్కోరావాలి. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి బై ది క్లాత్ ఫ్రమ్ సమ్ బయర్స్, సమ్ సెల్లర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి కొనుక్కోవచ్చు, బయర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి కొనుక్కోవచ్చు, సెల్లర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి కొనుక్కోవచ్చుకుంటారు. కొనుక్కోవచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, ఎవడైతే తక్కువ ఇస్తే వాడి దగ్గర నుంచి తెచ్చుకుంటామా, ఎక్కువ ఇచ్చేవాడి దగ్గర నుంచి తెచ్చుకుంటామా?
తక్కువ ఇచ్చే దగ్గర
తక్కువ ఇచ్చేది.
తక్కువ ఇచ్చాడు కూడా కొనుక్కున్నాం. అదే సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఏం చేస్తారంటే, సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఏం చేస్తాం, మనం అప్లికేషన్ తయారు చేసేటప్పుడు దే విల్ బి చెక్ ఇట్ వన్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ ది ఫ్రీ సోర్సెస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఫర్ డెవలపింగ్ ఆఫ్ మై అప్లికేషన్. నా అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్ చేసేదానికి ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్లు ఫ్రీగా వస్తాయి అది చెక్ చేసుకుంటారు. డబ్బులు ఖర్చు చేయకుండా ఫ్రీగా వచ్చి చెక్ చేసుకుంటారు. నౌ దే కెన్ సే దట్ ప్రీవియస్లీ జావా ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్రీ సోర్స్, బట్ నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పేయబుల్ సోర్స్. Up to 2019, it is a free source. From 2020 onwards, it is a payable. డబ్బులు పే చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఏది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం? సి ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ పేయబుల్. ఏది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటారు? ఏది ఫ్రీగా వస్తే అది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటారా, డబ్బులు కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటామా?
ఫ్రీగా వచ్చి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం సార్.
ఫ్రీ ఏం వస్తుంది? పైథాన్ అన్నా, పైథాన్ తీసుకుంటారు. నా and then they will be checked. Python is going to be taken the Python. Otherwise Java also is going to be taken. రెండు తీసుకున్నాడు, జావా తీసుకున్నాడు, పైథాన్ తీసుకున్నాడు. 2 సాఫ్ట్వేర్లు వాడి దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి. జావా కొనుక్కున్నాడు అనుకోండి, పైథాన్ ఫ్రీగా వచ్చింది, 2 పెట్టుకున్నాడు. దెన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి చెక్డ్ హియర్ విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఈజీ, ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కంపేర్ లైక్ దిస్ వన్. అంటే ఫ్రీగా వస్తుంది, ఓకే, నాకు ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఏది ఈజీగా ఉందో కూడా చెక్ చేస్తారు కదా. ఇప్పుడు జావా ఈజీగా ఉందంటే దే విల్ బి కంఫర్ట్ విత్, డబ్బులు పే చేస్తాను జావాకి వెళ్తాడు. లేదు పైథాన్ ఈజీగా ఉంది జావా కన్నా అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, పైథాన్ కూర్చాను. లైక్ దిస్ హీస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కంపేర్ చేసి బయటకు వస్తాం. ఈజీ టు యూస్, ఈజీ టు లర్న్, అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పోర్టబుల్ టు ఆల్ ది టైప్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్స్. మొత్తం అన్ని దాంట్లో పోర్టబుల్ అవుతుందా లేదా? దెన్ either I can learn this, the techniques are there. Then దీన్ని ఎవరైనా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా, యూజర్ ఫ్రెండ్లీగా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా, యూజ్ చేయలేమా? లైక్ దిస్ when he is going to be implemented any project like this, he is going to be థింక్ చేస్తేనే వస్తారు, థింక్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్లీగా అయితే రాదు. ఓకే, ఫర్ దట్ రీజన్ we say that please read the futures, that means your last topic, and then you can justify the titles one, why you are keeping this all the time. Okay, టెక్నికల్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ మీన్స్ ఎందుకు అది కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే అది ఫ్రీగా ఉంటుంది, ఈజీ టు యూస్, ఈజీ టు లర్న్, అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ పవర్ఫుల్ టూల్, అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి పోర్టబుల్ టు ఎనీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్లాట్ఫామ్, అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్, అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి మిక్స్డ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎనీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ది సిస్టమ్. ఓకే, ఫర్ దట్ రీజన్ we are using the Python. Okay, any doubts in the last one? Any doubts in the last
No, sir.
topic?
No, sir.
Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, thank you all. We'll meet in the next class. While in the next class I will be saying what is meant by data types, how we are going to be define the data types with respect to the